Here's brush, knee and push with a twisted step. So I want to focus on the footwork for this one first, and I'll show you two ways of doing it. So it begins at the end of a brush, knee and push, so you'll be in a bow step. The first way to do this, you would shift back, bringing all the weight to the back leg. Then you're going to come onto the heel of the front foot and turn out 45 degrees. So the whole body pivots here. Shifting forwards, bringing the weight to the front leg. You could come up onto the ball of the back foot to help you bring that back foot in. Taking a nail stance here to help with your balance, or you could keep the foot lifted, as you're going to go right into another brush, knee and push on the other side. And again, repeating that, shifting back, pivoting on the heel of the foot, turning 45 degrees, shift forwards, come in, going to a bow step. And you can repeat alternating left and right sides, you'll end up moving forwards. Taking a step back, I'll show you the second way of doing that. So from the bow step, again shift back. This time we're going to pivot on the ball of the front foot. So lifting the heel, turning 45 degrees. Shift forwards, bringing the right foot in, bow step. Shift back, pivot on the ball of the front foot. And here you're coming onto the ball of the back foot to help you bring it in, but you don't want to lift that back foot until all of your weight is on the front leg. So you want to bring that in with control. You don't want to push off the back foot and hope to catch your balance here. And go to a bow step. So that second version, pivoting on the ball of the foot, that's going to shorten your stance a little bit. And it might seem a little bit easier to do it that way. The other way, pivoting on the heel of your foot, will lengthen your stance a little bit. Might seem like a small difference, but try both versions and see which one you prefer. I like to alternate which one that I do. Stepping back again, I'll show how that looks with the arm movements combined. Brush, knee and push. Here it is, twisted step. As I shift back, the palms are going to turn. Pivoting on the heel of that front foot. As I shift forwards, the arms are going to sweep back. Again, brush, knee and push. I'll pivot on the ball of the foot this time, shifting back. Palms rotate at the same time as you begin moving back. So here when the arms sweep to the side, I don't know why the phrase throwing the baby out with the bathwater comes to mind. It just helps me remember this move. And I think I got space for one more. And there goes the baby. Brush, knee and push.